Your balls should be as unique as you are. And of course, I'm talking about your golf balls. Whenever you're out playing around in golf with a foursome, sometimes multiple people are playing with the same brand. Let's say it's a Titleist, and you want to be able to make sure that you're playing the correct ball. That's where these come into play. This is the ball badge. And what these are is a rubber stamp that will have a lot of cool, fun phrases that you can stamp on your ball and set it apart from the rest. Now, these were sent out to me in order to test and do a review on, and I've been having a blast with these since I got them. They have some fun phrases on there, and there's a lot of different ones. This one says, talk birdie to me. And this one here says, swing, swear, drink, repeat. That tends to be the par for the course, if pardon the pun. But yeah, once you put them on, you just simply kind of rock it on there. Once the ink is on there, it is waterproof, so it's going to hold up to any of the wet fairways that you're playing on. But if for some reason you ever wanted to wipe it off and use a different stamp, a little bit of rubbing alcohol will take this off, and it does hold up to the test. It will stay on there for multiple rounds of golf. But these would make a terrific stocking stuffer for the golf lover in your life. Just a lot of fun. They won't break the bank, and just an interesting, fun thing that you could do out on the course and surprise some of your friends when they pick up the ball to see if it's theirs and they see a nice phrase on there. So lots of fun sayings. Check them out. Again, it's the ball badge.